Have you ever felt trapped? Trapped by cravings you can't control, trapped by weight that just won't budge, trapped by a feeling of constant fatigue. Many of us live this way every single day. We believe this is just how life is. We think that feeling tired and bloated is normal. We accept that gaining weight is an inevitable part of aging. But, I am here to tell you that it does not have to be this way. You hold a powerful key within you, a key that can unlock a new level of health and vitality. And honestly, this key is not a new diet, a magic pill, an expensive gym membership. It is an ancient practice, a simple rhythm. It is called fasting. Imagine waking up with energy, real sustained energy that lasts all day long. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing clear, glowing skin. Imagine feeling light and comfortable in your own body. This is not a distant dream. It is a reality for countless people who have rediscovered the simple power of intermittent fasting. It is a journey back to how our bodies were designed to operate. It's about giving your body a much-needed rest, a rest from the constant work of digesting food. In that quiet period, your body can finally focus on repairing and rejuvenating itself. You are not starving yourself, you are healing yourself. The modern world has sold us a lie. We've been told to eat constantly, 6 small meals a day, snacks in between, never let yourself get hungry. This advice has led us down a dangerous path. It has led to an epidemic of obesity, type 2 diabetes, chronic disease. Our bodies are in a state of constant overload. They never get a break. Fasting is the simple, powerful antidote to this modern problem. It is about working with your body's natural cycles, not against them. It's about reclaiming control over your health and your life. This is your chance to press the reset button. So let's begin this journey together. One of the most popular and sustainable ways to begin this journey is with 16/8 intermittent fasting. The concept is beautifully simple. You fast for 16 hours each day and eat during an 8-hour window. For many, this means skipping breakfast, having their first meal around noon, then finishing their last meal by 8 in the evening. This schedule aligns naturally with our daily lives. It allows you to enjoy lunch with friends, enjoy dinner with family. It doesn't require you to give up your favorite foods. It simply asks you to be mindful of when you eat them. This simplicity is why so many people find long-term success with the 16/8 method. The most celebrated benefit is, of course, weight loss. When you fast, your body is forced to turn to its stored fat for energy. This is not magic, it is simple biology. By extending the time between meals, you deplete your readily available sugar stores. Your body then has no choice but to tap into the fat reserves you have been carrying. This leads to steady, sustainable fat loss, often without the need for severe calorie counting. People notice their clothes fitting better. They see the number on the scale go down. But more importantly, they feel a sense of lightness and freedom from the burden of excess weight. Beyond the scale, the changes can be seen in your reflection. Many people report a surprising improvement in their skin's appearance. Acne begins to clear up. Skin looks brighter, skin feels smoother. This happens because fasting gives your body a chance to clean house. It reduces inflammation, a key driver of many skin problems. During the fasting period, your body can focus its energy on repairing damaged cells and clearing out waste products. This internal cleansing process manifests externally as healthier, more vibrant skin. It's kind of like getting a facial from the inside out, a glow that no cream or lotion can replicate. Perhaps one of the most life-changing benefits is the improvement in sleep quality. Do you toss and turn at night? Do you wake up feeling like you haven't slept at all? So what is actually happening inside your body when you stop eating for 16 hours? It's a fascinating and powerful process. For the first few hours after a meal, your body is busy digesting, absorbing the food. During this time, your insulin levels are high. Insulin tells your body to store excess energy primarily as fat. As long as insulin is high, your body is in storage mode. It's very difficult to burn fat when your body is focused on storing it. Most people stay in this state eating from morning until night. After about 12 hours without food, something magical begins to happen. Your body has used up most of the glucose from your last meal. Your insulin levels drop significantly. That drop is the critical switch. It signals, stop storing fat, start burning it. Your body looks for other fuel sources. It turns to fat stored in your liver and your fat cells. Metabolic switch, sugar burning to fat burning. You're teaching your body to be a more efficient fat-burning machine. That's why intermittent fasting helps with weight loss. As the fast continues, other powerful processes ramp up. One key process is autophagy. Think of autophagy as cellular recycling. Cells identify and clear out old components, damaged components, dysfunctional components. They break them down and recycle for energy or to build new healthy parts. This deep internal cleansing can reduce inflammation and may protect against various diseases. It's your body renewing itself from the inside out. Autophagy rises significantly during fasting. It's a key to rejuvenation and longevity. Fasting also profoundly affects hormones. Besides lowering insulin, fasting increases human growth hormone. HGH helps with building muscle, maintaining muscle, and burning fat. HGH declines with age, but fasting is a powerful natural booster. Stories of change are what truly inspire us. They show us what is possible. Consider the story of Mark, a 45-year-old office worker. For years, he struggled with his weight. He was pre-diabetic. He had high blood pressure. He felt tired all the time. He had tried every diet in the book, only to regain the weight he lost. Feeling hopeless, he decided to try 16/8 intermittent fasting. He started by simply skipping his morning bagel, skipping sugary coffee. He ate his first meal at noon, and finished dinner by 8 p.m. In the beginning, it was a challenge. He felt hungry in the mornings, but he pushed through. Within a few weeks, Mark noticed a change. The morning hunger pangs subsided. He had more energy in the afternoons, avoiding the typical 3 p.m. slump. After 3 months, he had lost 30 pounds. But the changes went far beyond the scale. His doctor was amazed. His blood pressure was back to normal. His blood sugar levels were no longer in the pre-diabetic range. He was no longer on a collision course with chronic disease. A year later, Mark has lost over 60 pounds. He has more energy than he did in his 20s. He's a new man, all because he changed when he ate. Then there is Sarah, a 32-year-old mother of 2. After her pregnancies, she struggled with stubborn weight, persistent acne. She felt self-conscious and her confidence was low. She felt like she had lost herself. She heard about intermittent fasting and was intrigued by the reported benefits for skin health. She adopted a 16/8 schedule, fitting it around her busy family life. She stopped snacking late at night while watching TV. Instead, she drank herbal tea. The first month was a slow start, but she stuck with it, focusing on how much better she was sleeping. The transformation was gradual, then suddenly, undeniable. After 6 months, Sarah had not only lost the baby weight, but her skin had completely cleared up. The constant redness and breakouts were gone, replaced by a clear, healthy glow. The 16/8 method is a fantastic starting point, but fasting is diverse. Different approaches exist, and what works for one person may not fit another. One popular, more intense method is OMAD, = 1 meal a day. Followers eat all calories in a very short window, typically 1 hour. That means about 23 hours fasting. It can cause very rapid weight loss and may boost benefits like autophagy. But OMAD is a big leap. It can be socially isolating, hard to share meals with family, hard to go out to eat. Eating a full day's nutrients in one sitting can cause digestive discomfort. Results may be dramatic, but sustainability is a challenge. 16/8, by contrast, is more flexible. You can have 2 meals or 3 meals within an 8-hour window, more normal for most. Easier to maintain long-term consistency beats intensity. Other protocols exist, like 5-2 fasting. Eat normally 5 days a week, restrict to about 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. It gives a break from daily fasting, but those low-calorie days need discipline. Some find them very difficult. The beauty of 16/8 is its daily rhythm. It becomes a habit, part of your day, not something you prep for twice a week. It integrates gently into your lifestyle. Listen to your body. Some thrive on extremes like OMAD, others find them too stressful, especially women. When you begin your fasting journey, one of the most common questions is, what can I have during my fasting window? The answer is simple, but important. The goal during the fast is to keep insulin levels as low as possible. Anything that causes a significant insulin response will break your fast and stop the fat burning and autophagy processes. The strictest definition of a fast is water only. However, for most people, a few other beverages are perfectly acceptable and can make the fasting period much easier to manage. You do not need to be perfect to get great results. So, what is allowed? Water is your best friend. Staying hydrated is essential. You can drink plain water, mineral water, sparkling water. Black coffee is also generally fine. The small number of calories in a cup of black coffee is negligible and does not typically provoke an insulin response. In fact, some studies suggest coffee may even enhance some benefits like autophagy. Similarly, plain black tea, green tea, herbal tea are also acceptable. These beverages can help curb hunger and provide a sense of ritual without breaking your fast. The key is to avoid adding any sugar, milk, cream, artificial sweeteners. What is not allowed is anything that contains calories or triggers an insulin response. This obviously includes all food. But it also includes many drinks that people think are healthy. A splash of milk or cream in your coffee contains sugar, lactose, protein. A spoonful of sugar is out of the question. The idea of fasting for 16 hours might sound intimidating at first, but you do not have to jump in all at once. The journey to a new you is built on small, manageable steps. If you currently eat from the moment you wake up until the moment you go to sleep, start by simply trying to create a 12-hour fasting window. This is easier than it sounds. If you finish dinner at 8 p.m., just wait until 8 a.m. the next morning to have your breakfast. Most people are already doing this. This is your foundation. Practice this for a week. See how you feel. Once you are comfortable with a 12-hour fast, try extending it. Maybe you can push your breakfast back to 9 a.m. This gives you a 13-hour fast. Do that for a few days. Then try pushing it to 10 a.m. Now you are at a 14-hour fast. You are already experiencing significant benefits. Remember, even shorter fasts are incredibly powerful. They give your digestive system a rest. They help to lower your insulin levels. Each hour you add to your fast is a victory. This gradual approach allows your body to adapt. It minimizes hunger and makes the transition smooth and sustainable. Everyone can do this. Our modern eating habits have turned eating into a mindless activity. We eat because the clock says it's lunchtime. We eat because we are bored. We eat because we are watching a movie. We have forgotten what true hunger feels like. Fasting helps you break this cycle. It retrains your body and your mind. You begin to understand the difference between true physiological hunger and habitual or emotional cravings. This is an incredibly empowering realization. You learn that you are not a slave to your cravings. You are in control.